Some quick release knots. Well, knots that tie easy but untie even easier, which can be kind of important and kind of practical. So I'm going to show you a few. I'm going to use this rope, 8mm. I almost always use this 8mm rope because with this rope I can do everything, even rescue stuff. And yeah, I know the smaller, the thinner rope is lighter, but I'm not from the carry lights. Carry light, die easy is what I say. So I'm using this one. First one. Just go around, go around, go around. Timmerman stick. Carpenter, I guess. Blocks. Like that. You could tie an overhand at the end to make sure. So again, just go around. Overhand at the end to make sure. Variation on slip knot, go around and block. If you want to untie it, there you go. So go around like this. And go through and block. Like for a tarp or anything else, is a really nice method to tie it to a tree. If you're scared it's going to untie too fast, just bring a carabiner or anything, go through and it won't go anywhere. See? That's going to be your block. Get the carabiner out. Hop. So slip knot is very practical. Same one. Go around. Go through again. And then to do it bushcrafty, you could block it with a stick. Slow-mo. Go around. Got the circle. Go through. Block. Pull. Loose. So I use some throwaway paracord for the €1 paracords. Just an example. If you're in winter and your fingers are almost freezing and that knot with the thin rope is too tight, and there's always one method that works. This one.